So this is centrally controlled system versus a distributed system. A centrally controlled system is a hardware and/or software system in which all parts of it are controlled by a central controller, server, or mainframe. The advantages of a centrally controlled system is that it's easy to administrate, as only one major station has the administrative capabilities. Secondly, using a centrally controlled system allows for more controls, as the main station will usually be able to adjust or control the other stations. Disadvantages. Due to only a central system being present, the system may be a little slower, as all data has to pass into the main station, which may cause congestion. Secondly, all the computing is done on one device, which added to the congestion may cause things to be even slower. Distributed system. A distributed system is a system in which components located on networked computers communicate and coordinate their actions by passing messages. The components interact with each other in order to achieve a common goal. The advantage is that all stations have quicker access to the data because all of them have access to the data because it's distributed. Secondly, the stations all share a load, thus speeding up the response time of the system. The disadvantages are that it's much more complex to administrate, as you have to deal with each individual client or server on the system. So yeah, it's more complex to administrate. There's no one controller, but each have the same or similar administrative rights. Less control, as each station must be monitored for data if specific control is needed. Differences between the systems. The difference are that a centrally controlled system has a central controller, while a distributed system shares the load. Also, in a distributed system, computers can act individually, while in a central system, the computers, servers, etc., have to pass through the main station. The similarities are that both systems contain servers and clients, and both systems are able to communicate amongst each other. It's the end.